Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Target Mastercard online. So to do that, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your preferred web browser to get started. Now go to the URL box and type in rcam.target.com and press enter. Now you can easily activate your Target Mastercard by signing into your red card. If you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and click the sign up button at the bottom and first create a new account. If you already do have an account, go ahead and enter your username in the first text box. If you'd like the system to save your username, check this little save username box. If not, leave the box unchecked and head over to the password field and type in your correct password. If you are having trouble remembering your username and password, click the forgot your username or password link and follow through the instructions to look for your credential. After filling in both of your credentials correct, click on sign in and follow through the instructions till the end to activate your Target Mastercard online. Enter the information available on your Mastercard on the next page and you'll be able to finish off the activation. That was how you can easily activate your Target Mastercard online with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.